Hello, and welcome to another update video about AGIX. Moving sideways at the moment, just in a range between support, the two support zones here, and resistance. So there isn't really any change. As you might remember from yesterday, we talked about it. We did rally out of our trend reversal zone of the 10th of March, created an impulse, did rally here to around 58 cents. Very close to the previous B wave high. So we did rally into resistance, failed, came down into the next trend reversal zone, reversed out of it. Then I highlighted to you this resistance area. So we failed in resistance and came down, and ideally we are going to retest now. Well, either retest this support area, that would be ideal from a structural point of view. Well, that would be ideal, and that would be in a possibly another 1-2 setup, yeah. But then again, there isn't too much more space actually before the other one will get invalidated. So it might be, and that doesn't really make any difference to the scenario as a whole, that we might have to reset this wave 2 over here. It's just that it failed in B wave resistance, and since then it hasn't really rallied impulsively. So the idea I have here, even though it doesn't change really anything, but just to add the sub-wave structure, this could have been an A wave, this could have been a B wave, and now either we are still coming down in the C wave or this was it. But because we haven't so far seen an impulsive rally, we can still think about, or we might still need to expect another low. These are two possibilities. They don't really differ from each other too much. So either we have the wave 2 finished here on the 15th of March, and then we have a small 1-2 setup. To be fair, that should ideally be finished. But because we haven't really rallied impulsively, I'm currently looking at this as a possible C wave. Either way, yeah, the trend is up. We've been talking about that. We reversed in our yellow trend reversal area. We've reversed in the orange one. And as long as we're holding the basically 34.7 cent level, we can focus here on higher in a third wave. What would be the target for that third wave? Let's measure that. So if we go to the high of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2, just to get an orientation, we talk here about 89 cents. When we get to 89 cents on the way, we have several resistance levels. We've got here the previous swing highs around 58 cents. Then we have the previous high of the 8th of Feb, that's 67 cents, and then we can get to our target. If we drop below 35 or 34.7 cents, well, that wouldn't necessarily look too good, to be honest. It would then make a very, very strange chart here, strange setup, and we need to rethink here this corrective structure. At the moment, I'm counting the move here as a wave 1 into the 8th of February high, then an A, B, C structure down to form a wave 2. Based on that, we could now be in this third wave to the upside, and within the third wave, we've done a 1-2 and are now working on the third wave. So trend is up, yeah, against these swing lows or support areas that are highlighted, and until we see a change, that remains the case. It's just the as you remember, I said to you that AGIX is not the sort of best chart. It's got not the longest price history, but you know, it's a decent AI coin that I'm also a little bit involved with. But I bought early, I think it was early January. So yeah, haven't done much since then with it. Just sort of want to hold it into the, let's say, bull market highs. We'll see. Maybe I'll add a bit in the next few days. Haven't fully decided yet, but besides that, the trend is up and we're just waiting for an impulsive breakout. So far the signs have been good because it did rally, as I said, in this 5-wave move of the 10th of March low, like many other coins, and obviously at the moment it's just a bit of a pullback. Okay, that's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.